Welcome to our tutorial on how to cook a perfect steak at home. In this video, we'll walk you through step by step on how to make restaurant quality steak right in your own kitchen. To start, let's talk about selecting the right cut of meat. The best steaks for cooking at home are typically ribeye, filet mignon, or strip steak. Once you have your steak picked out, it's time to prepare it. Start by seasoning both sides with salt and pepper. You can also add other spices or herbs if you prefer. Now, it's time to cook the steak. For best results, use a cast iron skillet or grill pan on high heat. Sear the steak for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it has a nice crispy crust. Then, finish it off in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how well done you like it. Once the steak is cooked to your liking, it's important to let it rest for about 5 minutes before cutting into it. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a more tender and flavorful steak. Finally, slice and serve your perfectly cooked steak.